Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share. AP Bridge Course English Animals and Birds Worksheet number 9 Day 1 program. Now we learn about animals and birds. Write the correct name of the animals from the help box. Elephant. This is an elephant. Bear. This is a bear. Monkey. This is a monkey. Tiger. This is a tiger. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Write the correct name of the birds from the help box. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Crow. This is a crow. Peacock. This is a peacock. Parrot. This is a parrot. Rooster. This is a rooster. Write the plural forms by adding s. One has been done for you. Tiger, tigers. Bear, bears. Parrot, parrots. Crow, crows. Sparrow, sparrows. Elephant, elephants. Monkey, monkeys. Peacock, peacocks. Rooster, roosters. Giraffe, giraffes. Find the name of the animals or birds in the following word grid. First, identify the animals. Lion, lion. Monkey. Monkey. Elephant. Elephant. Tiger. Tiger. Bear. Bear. Sparrow. Sparrow. Crane. Crane. Crow. Crow. Peacock. Peacock. Color the picture and name it. Peacock. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share. Save trees.